All these teams are generated and all these teams are based on Dream11 rules and regulations, and all these teams are very accurate teams. Hi guys, in this video we are going to generate the Grand League winning teams for the today's match between MUL versus KR. So which is a part of the Pakistan Super League section. So in this video, first of all, we are going to analyze the data that we have, and based on that data we will use our team generator software in order to generate the Grand League winning teams. So first of all, let's analyze the data that we have. So the data that we have will be, so the probable playing 11 from the both the sides will be from MUL side, Mohammad Rizwan, S. Masood, Shimran Hetmeyer, Relem Russo, S. Maqsood, K. Shah, Sohail Tanveer, B. Mujrabani, S. Dani, U. Qadir and Imran Tahir from the MUL side, and from the KR side it will be S. Khan, Babar Azam, Martin Guptill, Dani Sajiz, N. Jadran, Tishara Pereira, Chadwick Walton, Imad Wasim, Muhammad Amir, Arshad Iqbal and Waqas Maqsood from the KR side. So let's analyze the top players from both the sides as well. So from the top players from MUL side will be S. Maqsood, S. Dani, Mohammad Rizwan and Shimran Hetmeyer from the MUL side, and from the KR side Babar Azam, Martin Guptill, S. Khan and Imad Wasim and Arshad Iqbal will be the top players from both the sides. So let's analyze the pitch details as well. So the pitch will be a balanced pitch, that means it will going to support both batsmen as well as bowlers as well, but one thing you should remember is that the team which is bowling first is having higher winning rate. Here you can see 80% of the teams who will bowl first will be on the winning side, so that by considering the after completion of the task you can predict which team is going to win, so that you can select accordingly. So here you can see the average score will be 160 runs, that means it is a balanced pitch. So let's analyze some of the specific points in our software in order to generate the Grand League winning teams. So the specific points will be since it is a balanced pitch, so if you want head to head and if you want teams for head to head and small leagues, you can go for 99 to 100 credit range, or even go with 99.5 to 100 is also fine. And if you want GL teams, you can go with 98 to 100, or if you want very risky GL teams, you can go with 97 to 100 or 96 to 100 as well. So and also MUL is almost equal to KR, both the sides are equally balanced, so we can go with 6 players from MUL and 5 players from KR, as well as 5 players from MUL and 6 players from KR. And after that, the important part is the pitch strategies of the today's match that are potentially will be the Grand League winners. So those will be one wicket keeper, 4 batsmen, 2 all-rounder, 4 bowlers, as well as 1 wicket keeper, 4 batsmen, 3 all-rounder, 3 bowlers, and as well as 2 wicket keeper, 3 bowler, 3 all-rounder and 3 batsmen. So these are the 3 strategies. If you want to add few more, you can also add few more, because there is always a chance you can use your predictions a lot better if you have a lot of knowledge on this particular match. So by using all the data that we have discussed right now, let's generate our teams by using our beautiful team generator software. So let's jump into our software. So this is how our software look like. Those who don't know about this software is the advanced team generator software, and this software is used for all applications that include Dream11, My Team 11, My 11 Circle and other applications as well. And this application is a very advanced application. By using this software, you will definitely crack Grand Leagues very easily. So first of all, let's click on cricket here, and after that we need to go and we need to select generate teams here. And those who want the software and those who want the details of the software, I have provided you the contact details in the description box below. You can contact me if you have any interest on this application. So first of all, you can see there are a bunch of applications here, Dream11, My Team 11, and other applications as well. So let me click on Dream11 here, and after that continue. And you can see the series, a bunch of series are there. We are interested in PSL here, Pakistan Super League, and after that continue. And there are 3 sections here. The first 2 sections are for those who don't have much knowledge in cricket, those for beginners in the fantasy world. And this is the third section that we are going to use, because this is more powerful than the above 2 sections, because in this section we are going to use our strategies along with the software in order to generate even more better teams. So let me click on advanced generation section. And after that, there are teams here. You can see MUL versus KR I am selecting, and after that continue. And we need to give the match number. You can give any match number, because whatever the teams you generate in this software, those teams are stored within your device. By the way, this software works completely fine on your mobile as well as on your laptop. And you need to give any match number, because you have an ability to check the results of your generated teams in this application. So you can give any match number. Let me give 15 as the match number, and after that continue. So we need to select the players, at least 6 players. That means we can select all the 11 players from both the sides. That means total 22 players. So let me quickly select them. So for selecting purpose, I am going to use this application. I am going to see the list, so that because these players are very new to me, that's why I am selecting the players by watching the list. So let me quickly select the players here. So you can see I have selected all the 11 players from both the sides. You can see all the 22 players. After that, we need to click on continue, and here it is asking us to select the fixed players. Here you can select any number 0 to 9, any number of fixed players in the range of 0 to 9. Fixed players in the sense you need to sell the players that are going to play definitely well on that day. That means so that means if you select any player in this section, that player will be definitely selected in every generated team. That's why you need to be careful while selecting the players here. For example, Babar Azam is a very great batsman, so I want to fix him. If you want to fix him, just select him in this section. Or if you don't want to take any risk, just leave this section as it is, and after that click on continue. And after that, we need to select the players you want to consider for captain. So you need to select the players for captain selection. So let me quickly select the players for captain selection. These are the players. I think they have the potential to become the captain, in my opinion. That's why I'm selecting these players here. So let me quickly select all the players that I think they have the potential to become the captain, as well as after that we need to select the vice captain section as well. So let me quickly select the vice captain players as well. So let me quickly select these guys. So from the KR side as well, let me quickly select the players. So these are the players that I feel they have the potential to become the vice captain, and after that continue here. And we need to select the team partition strategy. Team partition strategy I have already given you in the slides as well. We are going to go with 5-6 and 6-5, because MUL 5 and KR 6, as well as MUL 6 and KR 5. So after that continue here, and we need to give the credit range. I have already given some of the credit range. Here we are targeting grand leagues, so we need to give 98 to 100. So after that continue, and we need to select at least one strategy. I have already given you the strategies. So 1433, 1424 and 2333. So these are the 3 strategies, and after that continue. and enter the number of teams you want to generate. You can generate any number of teams between 1 to 3333 teams, but you don't need that many teams. You just need 11 teams to crack the Grand League. So let me quickly give 11 teams. So after that, generate teams here. So you can see all these teams. You can see the generated teams are stored at match number 15, and all these teams are generated. You can see all these teams are generated, and all these teams are based on Dream11 rules and regulations, and all these teams are very accurate teams. I hope you guys like this video. If you like this video, please go ahead like this video. If you don't like this video, you can dislike this video. Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing. Stay hard.